like underwater whole truck deep.
Yep. There he goes. Goodbye.
I got drowned.
It
Still going.
I'm going to go find the Loch Ness Monster.
looks like you're floating now.
He is.
Did it die?
Yep.
I told you would.
You're the
Killed
only
it.
one recording.
Why would you do that?
Shield it. It's not bouncing anymore. It was bouncing a minute ago.
He's just like,
I think it has water shoots.
yeah.
Right now?
Wait.
No signal.
You lost signal underwater.
Yeah.
That's confusing.
I don't know how it's still living. But have you learned your lesson?
Yes. Yes, I have.
It can only go half
So-
inch underwater. No,
Yeah. It can only get to.
He has not learned his
he's not.
lesson.
He's going again. I think you can make it.
I don't.
I think so.
Yeah. Just full gas it.
Just go around it.
You just
No,
gotta
mate.
keep it floating. You gotta go, yeah, enough to keep, yes.
Yeah.
All right, now you got it. You got it all the way across the deep part. You just gotta keep it, the momentum flowing.
All right,
Not
hold
like
on.
that.
Don't.
Oh, he's gonna come in wide open.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. You're gonna need those water shoes again.
Keep it moving, keep it, don't let it sink. You'll make it.
Goodbye.
Yeah, he's got it this time.
Keep going, keep
Go,
going.
go, go!
Oh, we floated it, but I floated it, but I made it.
Hey, that's how you gotta
I
make it.
think you should go across this one.
Mason, you will be going
My shoe again! Start running my shoe over.
first. You'll go first, son.
Big swim, right?
How deep is that?
Very.
Very.
Like, I wouldn't want to swim that either. Talk about it.
Look at it go.
Good, though.
Let's get the measure stick.
Oh, it's deep.
Don't hit my controller.
I'm not hitting
Oh, dang!
That's the non-beat.
That's the shallow part. He makes it!
Was it on the ground bottom, or was
Yeah.
it still floating?
No, you were on the bottom when it wasn't gripping. It was on the bottom.